Icebolethu Catering's Izandla package makes being a makoti so easy. They provide catering services that are both professional and affordable. I do all the grocery shopping, and they provide professional staff with full catering and service equipment. They cook at my home, set up the service station, then serve our guests. So whether it's a personal event, funeral, or unveiling, Izandla team always has my back. I'm so grateful that I no longer have to worry about putting too much or too little salt in my curry. Icebolethu Izandla team gets it just right. Nawe zizamele Icebolethu Catering's Izandla team kumcimbi wakho olandelayo.